Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to change keyboard in WhatsApp. Very easy tutorial. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is open up your WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on here to open up my WhatsApp. Then, have you opened up your WhatsApp? Let's see how we can simply change our WhatsApp keyboard. And for you to do that, what you need to do is to simply select a contact. Then, having selected a contact, then click on here to make a type. And you can see your keyboard here is going to display like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the English right here, click and hold down, and this is going to pop up. Then from here, you can change to another language. Let's, for instance, I want to change to this language, and you can see it right here. By the time I make a type, and it's going to automatically type me language, and I click on send, that's gone. Then we can also change this language to another country language. We click and hold down again. We can simply scroll down and then click on language setting. So under the language setting here, there are so many languages here. You can scroll down and download as many as possible language right here. Now, if I want to type in Fujian, so I will simply click on it and then the language will be downloaded. After a successful download, then it will be added to the list of your language, as you can see from the top side right here. So if I go back to my keyboard and I click on hold down, then I choose this particular language right now and I make a type just like so. So once I'm typing, it's reflected from the keyboard and I click on send. It's as simple as that. So we can click and hold down again and switch back to English language, and the language is back to English language. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply change your keyboard type in WhatsApp. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.